Good morning, everyone. So I wasn't able to do any kind of intro for this video, but I'm just packing my bag for dog sitting. I woke up relatively early. I got some work done on my computer, moving some files to my hard drive, and then after that I finished getting ready for dog sitting. Also, this morning I fit in filming my makeup routine video, which will come out next week for you guys, but I filmed that this morning as well, so that's why I'm in the sweater, and then I changed into my sweatshirt for dog sitting. Alright guys, so now I'm at my dog sitting location, and I found that I accidentally did not bring my small tripod, which would have been so helpful right here. So I'm gonna have to stack it on some stuff, but anyways, I am now at my dog sitting place, and I brought some stuff in my bag here to do. I just have this reusable canvas bag. I'm trying to switch over to more eco-friendly and things that can be reused better, because I don't want to necessarily save the planet with every thing that can be ever done to not use any plastic and things like that, but I would like to do some things where I can minimize my stuff, just because I'm getting more reusable items. Even if you have to pay more for them, if they'll last longer and be better on the earth, then that's great. So I'm just trying to do small things that I can do to make my lifestyle choices better. I have my water here, and I'm just gonna do some devotional reading for now, and we're just gonna sit here. So while we're out here waiting on Bernie, we can go ahead and talk about the plans that I have for today, what we are going to do, and how this would be different than a normal. Today's Monday, so I've set up that every single Monday I complete a cleaning list. So this is my own cleaning and our bathroom cleaning and stuff. So I realized that when I was not cleaning on a consistent basis schedule, then I would get sick more often, and I would feel worse, and I would just feel gross and upset, and I wouldn't know why. But it was because I was not keeping my area around me really clean. So I just clean weekly. That works for me. So I like to keep my spaces pretty clean, looking clutter-free, but also actually clean, and wiped down, and essential oils and everything like that. So I clean the bathroom every other week. So I clean that. I'm not sure if I have to clean that this week. I think I do. So I have to clean that today. This is my week for that. I have to do the bedroom. My bedroom, I dust and vacuum it, and then I clean my diffuser. Just wipe down the inside and the outside of the diffuser to make it fresh, and make sure that whatever blends I put in there each week are just getting fully cleaned out, so I can have a fresh start each week. And then I also do sweeping of the back hallway and our stairs. They're both just wood, so it's pretty easy to clean just by sweeping. So I have to do that as well. And I have to wipe down my plants, so I just take a wet rag and wipe those down, so I'm going to be doing that. Also change my pillowcase each week, because that's helped with not getting sick as often and things like that. And with allergies, it's been really great. So I found that keeping a schedule is really important for my health and for consistency and productivity. So today I've got school, cleaning, editing, and just regular day life. So yeah, I'm gonna sit you guys off to the side, keep eating breakfast, finish my devotions, and get on school. Update, I was actually able to film my makeup routine video this morning. That was good. It ran me a little bit late, that's why I had to get breakfast brought to me. But I did get it filmed, so that's good. I have that to edit. I have this video to edit as well, so I will have some stuff to edit tonight with that, so it's going to be great. And hopefully today can be my get ahead day on YouTube, because I know I was able to edit a good bit last night, and that video that I was editing is almost done. So I'll be posting that soon. So I'm back with another voiceover because unfortunately one of my clips here did not pick up on the audio somehow, so I didn't get any audio on this. I'm not sure how this happened, but I'm just going to do a voiceover for it. Basically what I was saying here though is that I'm just going to work on my cleaning. I use very little for cleaning to try to keep it more minimal, and then also we just try to have more like healthy products and stuff. We don't want to use any chemicals when we're cleaning stuff. The cleaning things that I am using here is just a roll of paper towels or rags. These are crocheted rags. And we also use this baking soda here. Next is the Thieves Cleaner that we got from Young Living. I can leave it down below. We just put it in a spray bottle form. Then also we have this little toilet brush cleaner, and that's pretty much it for our cleaning. So I'm not sure how the lighting is here, but I have some windows, so hopefully it's okay. But anyways, I just finished washing my dishes and I put them away just to make it better and less like cluttery. So I had to charge my new camera battery over there on the wall. So I'm using my old T6 right now to film. I just did all the dusting. Actually, I still need to dust that. Okay, now everything is dusted, including the fan. The whole floor is vacuumed, also under that, which is great. I still need to wipe down my plants. And I'm going to switch this pillowcase really quick because I switch that every week. This is where we keep all our sheets. This is where we keep our cleaning supplies. And I just get one of these crocheted dishcloths from down here and I get it wet and I use it to wipe my plants. Alright, so I got a new pillowcase. I tossed that. And this is to wipe down my plants, which I'm just going to go ahead and do now. Look, we have a new little plant. How I wipe my plants is I do this weekly just so that they stay nice and, you know, clean from dust. So I just take a wet rag, I squeeze it out, and then I just wipe the front and the back of each of these leaves here. So sometimes I can do this method where I kind of wrap my fingers around it and I'm able to get the leaf all in one go. And I just do that to all the leaves, and eventually I'll finish with all of them. I get most of them. Sometimes I don't get like the small ones that are like really in the plant, but I try to get as much as I can. I'm really loving how easy this plant is to take care of. It's already starting to grow new little things in the bottom and it's just so pretty. I personally don't mind dusting my plants. I mean, it's a little extra thing that I have to do, but like it's not the end of the world. This is our other snake plant. I did the same thing for each of these, and then I'll show you what I do from the bird of paradise as well. Alright, so this one I feel like is definitely more fragile. As you can see, the leaves already have like little cuts in them and everything, but this is a new one and it's growing very, very well. So I'm really excited about this plant. I've just been dusting it the same way I do my snake plants. I'm just a little bit more careful with the leaves because they are not nearly as thick as the snake plant ones are. And I just do the front and the back with them. and they already are all torn. Luckily I've not torn any myself, but nonetheless they're all still torn except for this new one. This one's growing up quite nicely. You can see all the way down in there. My plant nearly died. This was the hanging plant that's now redone in that little glass over there, and that plant was the hanging plant that was up there hanging. So we have the pot down here waiting for this plant to grow. I feel like I need to change the water or something. I'm gonna do a little bit of research about that with this plant. But yeah, that's where we're at with this plant. So technically we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plants. Alright, so I'm gonna go wash my hands and then we're gonna change that pillowcase and fold the clothes. Well, okay, we got some hangers. Didn't know if I told you guys, but Christmas last year, 2020, I asked for all these matching hangers from Amazon, and they're all felt hangers. They have these little indentions for like straps and stuff, so it works for like my jumpsuit and everything. So they're super great. They hold all of the pieces onto the hangers and they're just wonderful. So I just wanted to share with you guys how my closet is and why it looks like I have so much stuff in it. So this is a holiday blanket that I have that I've just kind of hidden some stuff which is not mine. My shoes are there and there though. And then this green dress and all the way to the right is all of mine. This is somebody else's and all of this is somebody else's. These are mine, this is mine, and this is mine, and that's mine. So behind here I have another drawer thing and then a couple pieces that I just decided to fold rather than hang, and those are some of my other jeans and a handbag. And then we got this really old mirror that I would like to get a new one, but right now I'm just dealing with it because it's fine. So thank you all so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Consider subscribing down below, and I'll see you guys next week with another minimalist video. And thank you so much for watching.